The volcano's gonna blow. Hot ash and lava everywhere. No, look out for us. Guys. Yeah? I know what to get the volcano sisters. Yeah?